In this tutorial, we'll take a look at the calendar in Fronter 19. You'll find the calendar in the top menu, on the home page, and on the course overview. To create a calendar event in a course, go to the course overview and choose Add Event. Add a date, choose a title, and add a description. In the description field, you can add other media types too. When you save the event, it will be visible to participants in the course overview, on the home page, and in the calendar on top. You can also add an event in this view. Just choose a date and a time. Choose the course in which you want to publish the event. You can also make it personal, which means only visible to you. To edit an existing event, just click on it, then click the pen at the top. You can filter which courses you want to see events from. Just click on a course to hide it or view it. When there are events in the course calendar, you can choose these as deadlines in activities. Here's an assignment, and when we choose to set a deadline, dates with course events are marked in green. When we choose one of these dates, the time for the deadline will be the same as the time of the event. There's also a connection between the calendar and plans. If you have an active plan, when there is an event, you will find a link from the event to more info about the plan. In the calendar top menu, students and teachers can see all active plans from all their courses. We hope you enjoy the calendar in Fronter 19. Best of luck in your future planning.